Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off auto delete activity for web and app activity tracking in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings. Now here scroll down to the end and click on activity controls. Now from here choose the account in which you want to make changes to the activity control. And now first of all turn on web and app activity, and after turning on scroll down and here you will see our auto delete option, so tap on auto delete. So if you want to turn off auto delete activity for web and app activity tracking, then select don't auto delete activity and then click on next. Now here click on confirm and then click on OK. And if you want to turn on the auto delete activity for web and app activity, then select auto delete, and to turn on select auto delete activity, and from here you can select auto delete activity older than 3 months, 18 months or 36 months. So from here choose a time period and after choosing click on next. Now here click on confirm and then click on OK. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto delete activity for web and app activity tracking in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.